are you doing on this Wednesday? Welcome on into a brand new Elle Daily. Each and every day here we come live at noon Eastern with tips and tricks and new ways to use our Longaberger products. And on Wellness Wednesday, we really focus in on promoting wellness and self-care. So we're gonna dive into a bowl of soup that is going to boost your immune system on this Wellness Wednesday. My name is Kristine Zell. I am honored and always excited to come to you here as your Elle Daily host and a Longaberger stylist. I love these products, so I am building my business from home, sharing my favorite products with friends and family. And those of you that I'm meeting online, you can share these videos if you want to grow your business and make a connection styling with your favorite products right here. So we are always here to help answer your questions. You can leave comments if you're watching on Facebook. We love to hear where you're watching from. I'm in Houston, Texas, and we just got some soup weather that rolled in. So I thought ahead of all the busyness of the season, the holidays are here, it's time to really boost the immune system, because if you're like anything that's been going on in our house, my kids are bringing home all the germs. So I went to one of my favorite cookbooks and pulled out one of my favorite recipes for you on this Wellness Wednesday. But before I give you that recipe and how I'm using Longaberger incorporated into this, I wanted to share with you, it is our Cyber Month. All month long, throughout the month of November, you are going to get 10% off site-wide. So that means you can shop this video. If you are watching at longaberger.com, you will see the icons. You can click on those. It will immediately add to your cart, and then just check out when the video ends. So I just wanted to share that with you. Also, as we're going to be doing a lot of hosting, our wine shop is buy one, get one free right now, and free shipping and handling on anything that's $150 or more. So, all right, now that we talked about all the exciting offers we have for you this month, I wanted to find something that was going to really add high amounts of vitamin C. So this is going to be great for the immune system. And then also, I'm going to tell you there's carrots and ginger in here. It's my carrot ginger soup. The ginger in here is anti-inflammatory. So I thought on Wellness Wednesday, I'm going to bring to you one of my most nutritious soups that I like to make. This is also a great baby food. I know that sounds weird to say, but if you are a new mom, I just wanted to say it's great for the kids too. My kids love it. And yeah, so let's dive in. It's soup season. Raise your hand if you like soup. We love soup in our house. So here's the deal. First, what you're going to do, it's super simple. Get out your big stock pot and you're going to saute some garlic and ginger. I always go way above what's asked, but on the ginger, since it can be a little spicy, you're gonna do about 2-inch knob of ginger, 1 small yellow onion, and as much garlic as you like. I used a whole bulb of garlic, but it only calls for like 3 or 4 cloves. Depends on how much you like your garlic. So we're gonna add to our stock pot the onion, the garlic, the knob of ginger, saute that all up, and once you feel like the onions are looking translucent, you're gonna add in 5 cups of chopped carrots. I love that big Costco size carrot bag because we go through a lot of carrots. So chop up those, wash those, throw them in the stock pot. Then you're gonna add 5 cups of water, 4 or 5, depending on how thick you like it, and then a teaspoon of coriander. And you're gonna let that simmer, actually bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for about 35 minutes till those carrots are nice and tender. Then you're gonna put in your immersion blender, or if you have a Vitamix, I poured everything into my high-powered blender. Blend that all up, put it back in the stock pot, and then you're gonna salt and pepper to taste, and then this is so good. This is where it gets that really nice creamy texture. You're going to mix in a can of unsweetened coconut milk. It's so yummy. All right, so here's the deal. I am using today our Horizon of Hope 3-piece plate collection. I'm not using the larger 10-inch plate, but I have the 7-inch plate and the 8-inch plate and the 7-inch diameter bowl. The Horizon of Hope collection I wanted to feature here because as part of our Wellness Wednesday, proceeds from our Horizon of Hope collection will always, no matter the time of year, go to supporting breast cancer research. So if you are one that wants to support a good cause and you love that pretty pink, this is going to be something that you're gonna want to add to your cart. What I love about this 3-piece set is I just got the one set. You can do a whole dining set if you wanted to, but this is something that I treat myself on when I'm having lunch at home, I think it's really important, especially today, my kids are away at school, I homeschool part-time, to just really indulge and savor each and every bite and slow down at mealtime and enjoy. And part of our Wellness Wednesday is not only the nutritious soup that we're gonna be eating, but also just looking pretty and enjoying the meal and slowing down and just putting work away and the laptop away for a few minutes if you work from home and just indulge in your soup that you just created. Okay, so I'm using that 3-piece Horizon of Hope collection, and I just want to show this to you. This collection is so gorgeous. My daughter Lila loves it. She can use it like on her birthday and special occasions, not all the time because it is glass and she's 5, so mommy gets nervous. But I just want to show this to you. It's that nice pale pink, so you can even add pops of pink throughout the holidays. This is so, so pretty and unexpected. That soft pink tinted glass is all made in America. It's handcrafted at our family-owned factory in Ohio. So yes, you are supporting Made in America, hand craftsmanship, absolutely gorgeous, front and back. It's that milky, soft pink color that blends in with any other color that you are doing. And then from there, now this soup is good on its own. I just really enjoy this. This is a great soup if you are doing a reset. I thought for the holidays, not only are we trying to get through flu season with the properties of the carrots and the ginger that are gonna be so good for you, but also just thinking about a reset with all the holiday food that we're eating. Sometimes I like to just give myself a day of rest from heavy food, and this is really yummy. If you want to do a light breakfast, like a smoothie, do this for lunch, and then a nice chicken and vegetable for dinner. It just feels really good through all the indulgences of the season. So good, I love this soup so much. All right, it's delicious on its own, but I wanted to pull in our 1973 fancy pitcher. I love this so much. I got it in linen because it's such a nice neutral, it blends in with the way that I've decorated my house, but it also is available in smoke and mint if you want to mix and match your 1973 pottery collection. If you have the mugs or any of the other pottery, you know that this collection pairs beautifully with your baskets. I actually have a bunch of baskets up top here. I would pull the camera up, but then you lose me. But I just think it all blends so beautifully, the pottery and the baskets. And what I love about this is, yes, it is still made in America. It's all handcrafted, just like we were talking about with our plate setting. And it is vitrified. So on the bottom, you're gonna read vitrified. And what that means is it's dishwasher safe. So when you're done with this, you can just throw it in the dishwasher. Oven safe. If you need to pop it in the oven, maybe you're warming up gravy for Turkey Day and the holidays. This is great in the microwave as well as the freezer. So you're talking about a lot of versatility when you use your fancy pitcher in the kitchen, but I usually use it when I'm not serving as a decor piece, and I love our faux botanicals at Longaberger, and I'll put those in and tuck it in a bookshelf or a space like I've done here. Really, so many uses for the 1973 pitcher. But how I used it today, all right, you guys, this is one of my favorite sauces ever. You can drizzle this on tacos, you can drizzle it on soup, you can drizzle it on a pot roast and meat. It's so, so yummy. So what you're gonna do is, and I'm gonna pour it so you can see the color and the consistency. It's pretty thick. And if I added more olive oil, yeah, it's supposed to be a little more drizzly if you wanna make it really pretty. So I would probably add just a little more olive oil. I did this really quick. Okay, so this is going to be, oh, this is so good. Okay, let me tell you, first of all, let me preface this. It is called our cilantro drizzle. It does have jalapeno in it. I'm from Minnesota originally, and I am not a spicy girl, but this is not too hot. So I just want to preface that. You're going to get a bunch of cilantro if you go to the grocery store, or if you're like me, you have an herb garden, maybe you have a surplus of cilantro. Throw this back in that high power blender that we were talking about earlier. And then from there, you're going to mix it with a half a cup of olive oil, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, just as much garlic as you want, maybe a little more than that. Salt and pepper to taste, and then you're gonna take 1 jalapeno, you're gonna seed it, so we're only using the outside. We're gonna take out all those spicy seeds, throw that in to the blender with, what am I missing? We have cilantro, garlic, oh, grated ginger. So if you have powdered ginger, I used fresh. Again, just a little chunk of your knob on fresh ginger. Your olive oil is the half a cup, and then a tablespoon of maple syrup. So that's gonna really dilute the spice and add that nice sweetness to it. And then you're gonna add some fresh lemon juice, and that is your drizzle. It's so pretty. I filled up my fancy pitcher with it. My husband loves it. He even uses it with chips on tortillas. It's so good. So drizzle on your cilantro drizzle, mix it into your carrot ginger coconut soup, and you have a really unexpected, delightful, full of fresh ingredients, packed with anti-inflammatory and immune boosting ingredients. And we are gonna stay well this holiday season. So good. And we are gonna reset from all the indulgences. On this Wellness Wednesday, I hope you get a minute to rest and relax and enjoy good food, maybe a little spa night at home. Just take a minute for yourself in the busyness of the holiday season. I'm Kristine Zell. It was great to see you. Would love to connect with you. Let me know if you make this soup. Let me know if you have any questions about our products. I am here to help along with our great staff from Longaberger. And don't forget, when you are shopping Longaberger this holiday season, specifically Cyber Month, you're getting 10% off and free shipping with orders over $150. You are supporting a family-owned factory in Ohio. You are supporting Made in America, and you are supporting Longaberger, a brand that has been in business for generations now because of the high-quality products that we are able to enjoy as we make memories at home. We eat with our eyes, so enjoy that pretty pink plate setting as you enjoy your soup, and happy soup season. Take care. I'll see you next time right here on the Elle Daily.